Buy camcorder batteries. If you have owned a video camera for a long period of time, you may have noticed your battery length slowly shortening over time. Fortunately, new batteries have improved the length of many rechargeable batteries. If your camera is out of date, you may have a harder time finding a battery that fits your needs, but they should still be out there if you look hard enough. Identify your make of camera, and go straight to the makers. They will be the most likely to have the battery options that fit your camcorder. If you have a newer camcorder, you may use a more universal battery option, and can probably shop around, but if you are dealing with an old version, the best place to start is definitely through the camcorder and #39's manufacturer. Know how long you want a battery to last and what your needs are. Many of the new lithium-ion batteries come with varying amounts of cells, usually 6 or 9. The greater the number of cells, the more battery life you should be receiving. If you like to charge your battery and have it last you for a good deal of time, go for the battery with the greatest number of cells. Also identify the make of batteries. Many different companies make batteries, and some are obviously better than others. If you are buying your battery through a trusted company like Duracell, Energizer, or the company that made your camcorder, you know that you and #39'll probably be receiving a quality battery that suits your needs. If all else fails, and you are having trouble locating your battery type, you will probably have to resort to a third-party market such as eBay. If your battery is no longer in production, it can be tough to find. Look to see if anyone has any unused or, if necessary, used options. If you still aren't and #39'T having luck, look at your battery type, and run a Google search to see what you can find. Or you can use the Google shopping companion called Froogle.com. The important thing to remember when battery shopping is to immediately identify your needs. If you don't and #39'T know what kind of battery you will be shopping for, you might end up with something that won't and #39'T function with your camera. Look at your old battery, and then the rest is really up to luck and finding an available fit somewhere on the market. Caution: batteries aren't universal for all camera types. Make sure your battery works with the camera you have. Quick tips: identify your battery type, so you know what you need to be looking for. If you are a heavy camera user, and have the option, go for a battery with a high cell count. These will last for a much greater period of time. Useful links, Frugal eBay.